The OXO carbon steel Obsidian Series 8-inch frypan with silicone sleeve is a versatile and durable cookware piece that is ideal for a variety of cooking tasks. The pan is made from high-quality carbon steel that provides excellent heat distribution and retention, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. The non-stick surface is also incredibly easy to clean, making it a great choice for busy home cooks who want to save time and hassle in the kitchen. One of the standout features of this pan is its silicone sleeve. The sleeve provides a comfortable grip that is heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can safely handle the pan even when it is hot. It also protects the pan from scratches and dents, so you can use it for years to come without having to worry about damaging it. Additionally, the silicone sleeve is removable, so you can easily clean it in the dishwasher or by hand. The pan's 8-inch diameter makes it ideal for cooking a variety of dishes, from eggs and pancakes to stir-fries and sautés. The non-stick surface ensures that food doesn't stick to the pan, so you can cook with minimal added oils or fats. In conclusion, the OXO Carbon Steel Obsidian Series 8-inch frypan with silicone sleeve is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, durable, and versatile cookware piece.